Welcome to Ivaintures. I'm currently in Manila, Philippines, and from the moment I arrived, I was particularly amazed by this country. Manila is a beautiful city, the food is excellent, and the people are very friendly. But, just like many other cities around the world, Manila has a dark side. It is a no-go zone by the name of Tondo. So after visiting that part of town that I was told to avoid, I was profoundly touched by the intense poverty. I am now with a Filipino family that was dislocated due to a recent fire in the area. This is a personal account of their survival. Oh, these are your kids here?
My grandson.
Okay.
My granddaughter.
So if you have 2 kids, or if you have 9 kids, just one tent?
Yeah.
How old is her child?
1 month old.
1 month. 1 tent per family, regardless if you have 9 kids or 1 kid. What's going on here? This is. Did they build this because of what happened with the fire, or is this thing always been here?
Because always here because of the playing basketball.
Because of what?
Playing basketball, the pitch.
Oh, this is a basketball court, technically.
Yeah.
Okay, hello guys, hello. When I arrived in this evacuation area, I was in complete shock. It was extremely hot. I didn't think the conditions were adequate for the little babies that many of these families were taking care of. Everybody was just standing around waiting for nothing. It's a sight that's forever engraved in my memory. What's your name?
Robbie. That's Soleri from the...
Okay, hello guys, hello. So, we just ran into this evacuation center. I don't know what that means. So, before we continue, can you please tell me, so this is because of the fire that they built this place here, or this is, how long has this place been here?
This, I don't know, but this is a building for only
evacuation. Okay,
not evacuation, not only for the playing ground for the basketball.
Okay, all right. But there's music here. We're gonna talk after. Yeah. Right now, let's just walk because all this music is messing up. Okay. Hello. So guys, this is actually a basketball court, and they have built these tents. I don't know what hello.
Hi.
My kid.
Oh, these are your kids here.
My grandson.
Okay.
My granddaughter. This is my son.
Wow. Hello, how you doing? Hello. Big family. He told me 9 kids. I'm like, yeah. All right.
Kind of.
So,
You want to eat?
no, I'm okay. I just ate. I'm full.
Okay.
I'm full. Thank you, though. Thank you. How long have you guys been here?
Almost 2 days.
2 days. It's because of the fire, right? How's it going, man? Wow. But I'm glad that they were quick to put you somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Wow. Huh? Yeah. And I heard nobody got hurt also, so that's good. Yeah. Yeah. It's really hot, man. Wow. So you brought all your stuff?
Yes.
You were able to save everything?
Nothing. More on here.
Yeah. Okay. All right. How is it here at night? Do they
Too cold then
what's that?
Too much mosquito there.
Mosquitoes. Yeah.
You bite mosquito.
Is there a place where you can buy spray for the mosquito here?
Yeah, no, in the grocery store.
Is it far from here?
Far.
No, it's a near from me.
3 kilometers.
I want to buy you guys some spray for the mosquitoes. So when we finish here, we go get that. Okay? Yeah, because you get sick, then it gets even worse, right?
Yes.
Wow.
This is my grandson.
Your grandson.
Son of this is my daughter.
Daughter. I was about to guess wife again, but daughter. You can't tell people's age here, man. Everybody looks young.
My wife is deceased.
Yeah?
This is my wife.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah. Wow. Okay. This kid was shy. He didn't want to talk to me. Now he's back again. I tried to ask him a couple questions. He ran away, but he's back. So how many people live here right now? Everybody? Everybody?
One tent, one family.
One tent, one family.
Regardless how many people? So if you have 2 kids or if you have 9 kids, just one tent?
Yeah.
That's some crazy stuff.
Yeah. 2 huts. No aircon, no air.
Yeah.
Open air.
Yeah. What's that? Yeah.
There's a newborn baby.
A brand new baby?
Yeah,
Wow.
newborn baby.
Do you speak English? No. Okay.
Just a little bit.
Just a little. How old is her child?
1 month old.
1 month. Wow. Okay. So how many people in your family are here?
Ilang tao daw ang pamilya niyo? Yan.
3 pamilya.
Saan yung kanyo? Tent
How
nyo?
many people?
Pamilya mo
Saan
lang.
yung tent nyo?
Hindi, dito kami.
Yan.
Ito, ito.
Sama namin sila ate.
My 3 daughter was stay there. Belong to her son
Yeah.
and their daughter.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. Well, we're gonna get some bug spray. He's gonna bring it back. We're gonna get some for the mosquitoes. Yeah, because he told me the bugs at night, right? The mosquitoes. Oh, she doesn't understand very well.
Also the lotion. Of lotion.
Of lotion.
Lotion? Lotion is better, right?
okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Spray is not good for the young kids.
For the young kids. Okay. We're gonna get that. All right. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, 1 tent per family, regardless if you have 9 kids or 1 kid, you get 1 tent. And this is, you can see, man, I don't even know where to start. So like, they want bug spray, so we're gonna buy bug spray, you know, or bug lotion. Wow. Hello, hello. Hello, how you doing? Hello. Being poor is one thing. Being a victim of this fire just added insult to injury. But despite that, their spirit were not broken. The people of Tondo are strong and tough. They are survivors. So where are you from?
Doon. Sama-sama kami.
Tondo?
The where we have been.
The same area?
Yes, yes.
How long have you lived in Tondo?
No, no. It's about Nabotas.
Nabotas?
Yes, yes.
Where is that?
The place where I've been. Right now.
Oh, right now, yeah. But I
yeah.
thought this was called Tondo, no?
No, it's other side. It's a Tondo, but
okay.
here it's Nabotas.
Okay, all right. Sounds good. All right. So I think most people here were born in the area, right? Yeah. Most people, yeah. They saw me sweating so much, they gave me a towel, man. Man, we gotta definitely go buy that stuff. Oh man. So, where is the father?
Saan daw yung asawa mo?
Nandun po, nagkakalakal ng mga,
You know,
lero.
you
He's
know,
working?
They're working at the
At the house over there.
Yes.
Okay, sounds good. Sounds good.
You know the roof where
Yeah.
the fire.
Yeah.
They sell it to the junk shop.
Okay.
So his husband is there.
Okay, so they're taking the pieces of metal and selling it to the junk
shop.
to the junk shop
Yeah.
to make some money.
Yes.
And then, but how are you gonna rebuild if you're selling everything?
That's much money.
Yeah. What's your kid's name?
Si and Caleb.
Sia, is that a boy or girl?
Ando?
Boy or girl daw?
Boy.
Boy.
Alam mo, burger. Mabilis ka na siya magsalita eh. Akala ko.
What did she think I said?
Huh?
What did she think I said?
Mabilis ka magsalita.
You're
You're
talking
very-
is very fast.
Oh, okay. All right.
You make it slowly.
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm trying.
Why he didn't understand?
All right. So the food donation, you say a politician gave food for everybody here, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And also the mayor,
The mayor
congressman,
The mayor.
and the
Okay.
congressman.
Okay.
and then there's this stand from the
Senator.
senator politics.
Yeah.
No, that's the labor
Yeah.
politics.
Oh, okay.
Miguel
Oh, the
Soberi.
blue. That's the name of the senator who gave these tents for everybody. That's really nice. How you doing? So, should we go to the store and buy the bug spray? Let's go. All right, we're coming back. Yeah.
Yung mga malalaking grocery store.
I feel bad even just taking this towel, man. These people don't have much. Hello.
Hey, bro.
Hey, how you doing, man? Hello, how are you? Okay. Hello, how are you? Hello. Hello.
Barangay Hall.
Yeah. All right. Man, it's heartbreaking in there. Oh, this is the store? Right here?
No, here. May pera tayo.
No, he doesn't
Sa
have.
malalaki yan.
So now we are looking for bug spray because he told me they get bug bites out here. Mosquitoes are crazy at night. So we're getting away from that center that houses so many family and kids. We're coming back. I'm trying to do the little bit that I can to help. These people need so much, you know, but it is what it is. You got to start somewhere.
We're going to
Hello.
buy a off lotion.
Okay, yes. The
For
lotion
the-
for the
for the
mosquitoes.
mosquito.
Yes. All right.
Because if we buy a spray,
Yeah.
this is not healthy for the kids.
Yes. Oh yeah, it makes
Maybe.
sense. That's what she was saying.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a lot of families in that basketball court right now. A lot of families. Lovely people, you know. It's really sorry, they're heartbreaking. Hello. So we are continuing this adventure through the streets of Manila and trying to get some bug spray. So keep watching and I'll bring you that. I don't know how much I'm gonna get, as much as I can, and then give it to them, and then get back. So if it's your first time on the channel, guys, please kindly subscribe, press that like button, and from Manila, I'll see y'all later. I don't want to say you get this, you get that.
Kasi nasa estimate ko yan.
But is there more? No more? Do they give you guys water over there? No? Alright, okay. This guy's biking around, left, right, following a motorcycle. Alright. I hope we can get there. You know, the lady, she saw me sweating bullets and she gave me towel, man. This is the kind of stuff, man. People have nothing and they're still gonna give you what they have. They have nothing.